This last section is different ideas that you can use to continue to grow in your learning and understanding of the lesson plan parts. You click on this first document. This is a summary of each of the key criteria that we just talked about. So it's sort of in one place you can see all the different description of the lesson plan parts, as well as weaker and stronger examples. The second link, the sample exemplary lesson across 2 days, is sort of the entire lesson plan, so you can see all the different parts in one place. So if you click on this, you can see as it opens how the lesson plan layout will look and how all the different parts are in there. So you can see a context statement is just sort of an overview about the different class that you're teaching. The exact learning standard will be there. And then here's the objective. And then right next to it is the formative and summative assessment and the different scoring that they're thinking about. Then you can see there's a language function section, differentiation. There's also a section you can have for any anticipated supports, prerequisite skills, and then you can get down to the introduction or the opening, what I'm calling the hook. The key thing, you do want to start to think about your pacing in terms of about how many minutes are going to be for each section. Again, you might go over or you might go under, but it just gives you a ballpark as to what you're thinking about. And then you can see, again, the questions are written out and possible student answers are there so that we can always see your thinking. And then as you scroll down, again, you can see the we do, and then again, the timing, and again, the questions and possible answers. Same thing for the we do share, and then the you do comes at the end. So you can see you want to list your materials. This is also where you would cite any sources that you used. If you modified something from the web, you would cite that there. And then you want to actually include your exact materials. So a lot of times when we review lesson plans, we'll look at the objective to see what you want the lesson to focus on. And then I flip immediately back to your materials and see, because that's what the students are going to see. So you can see this is what they're going to have. The hook and the I do uses this chart. And then this is the we do. So this is the exact images and materials that they're going to use. And here are the questions that they have. And this is the final check that they have, their exit ticket at the end. So that's all the materials that you need for your lesson plan 1. And then the same thing you can see for lesson plan 2. So this is just an example to review so that you can help to see how all those different parts come together.